In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check upvoted posts on Reddit. If you've ever upvoted something on Reddit and then wanted to find it again later, this video is for you. Maybe it was a helpful guide, a funny meme, or an important announcement you didn't have time to read fully. Knowing where to find your upvoted posts makes it easy to revisit that content without having to remember which community it was in or what it was called. First, open Reddit and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this either in your web browser or in the Reddit mobile app. The layout might look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is essentially the same. Once you're on the main Reddit screen, look toward the top right corner of the page or the app. You're looking for your profile icon. This might show as your avatar image or a simple silhouette, depending on whether you've set a custom avatar. Go ahead and tap or click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see things like your posts, your comments, your karma, and other activity linked to your account. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once your profile page is open, look for a section or tab labeled Upvoted. On desktop, this is usually one of the tabs across the top of your profile. On mobile, it may appear along the top as well, or in a horizontal list of options you can swipe through. When you find the Upvoted option, click or tap on it. Now you're viewing a list of posts that you've previously upvoted. This acts like a personal history of content you've enjoyed or found useful. You can scroll through this list to find a specific post, open any of them to view the full content, or use it as a way to rediscover interesting threads you might have forgotten about. Keep in mind that you'll only see upvoted posts while you're signed into the same account that did the upvoting. If something seems missing, double check that you're on the correct account. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly access your upvoted posts on Reddit so you can easily go back to the content you care about.